It's time to get messy, and that means you need Crocodile cloth, the only cleaning cloth you'll ever need. Take Bill, for instance. He lives life to the fullest, and by fullest, we mean 2 hands full of get it done. So he doesn't need the have to get it wet first, because we don't dry out. And definitely not your wimpy baby wipe, because we're actually the size of a baby. He needs Crocodile cloth, the toughest, largest, and safe on skin cleaning cloth out there. Manufactured right here in the US of A. What kind of messes can we handle? Glad you asked. Grime, grease, goop, grit, and gunk. And that's just the words starting with the letter G. We cover the whole alphabet. That means Bill has confidence on all projects, hobbies, and any to-do list thrown at him. How does it make you feel, Bill?
Incredible.
Nice. Go ahead, get messy. Crocodile cloth. Available at crocodilecloth.com, Amazon, and trusted retailers.